Shwe Nanthar Htike and my English name is Jade. Now I'm attending to Teacher International School. My class is Flyer 132 and teachers are Teacher Treasure and Teacher Audrey. Okay, I was very excited to tell you about that, which is how to make my favorite food. And you can also try after watching this video. So let's get started. Before I tell you about that, let me tell what is my favorite food. It is Rakhine Mondi, which is Rakhine traditional food and also popular dish in Myanmar. And it is also called abu shabu. I believe you know it. Okay, first I'm gonna tell the ingredients, which are shrimp paste, black pepper powder, boneless fish, ginger, garlic, yes, and mondi. I think soup style is better than salad, so I'm gonna tell soup style. Okay, first off, put hot water in the pot and add boneless fish into the water. And you also need to cut small pieces of garlic, ginger, onion, shrimp paste, and fish sauce. Also put them into the pot and add some black pepper. Don't put too much because if you put a lot, when you eat it, your face gonna be like tomato. And then simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. After that, take out the fish and crush it. Next step is take the pan and heat cooking oil when it getting hot. Put blended garlic, onion and fry them. Put the fish that you crushed and make sure that you stir fry for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, put them into the soup again. Add chicken powder and simmer for a few minutes. Then you can put mondi in the bowl. If you want to add chili, coriander, turmeric juice, fry flip chickpeas, and add soup. Finally, you can enjoy the perfect Myanmar traditional food called Rakhine Mondi. It tastes like hot and spicy. It is also my favorite part of this dishes. I'm hungry. I think I have to tell my mom to cook it for me. So, thanks for watching my video and I want to recommend you to try it. So, bye!
Look at my tomato face.